Hello everyone, today we are going sky high. One of the biggest events we have ever done, skydiving. You know how this event works? You go off this ramp and down the course to the ground, and the farther you go, the more points you get. And we'll be scoring the drop as well. So yellow, colour balls will start us off, and what? Whoa! Oh, you see that? Right there. So we will not be scoring him for that, fortunately. So he gets 2 points. Now Sky Horn is back to his over Team Horizon, does he? Oh no, that's the same thing. But since he actually went off the course, he will not be getting any points. Now Vespa, can he do anything? For Hornets? And what? Oh, look, there you go. Finally we have a team that has points to his name right there. See, right there. So he will get a 6 in the lead. Now Bolt from Thunderbolt. Ooh. That does not look good. It's a 3, so he's at least 2nd place for now. Now, got a lizard. Ah, you see there. See, now that's not going to be points either. That's going to be 0 points. That's their last. Now, Snowdrift. Ooh. Hey, this might be 2 points as well. Even if she makes it onto the ground, is it? Yes, it is. So she'll go 5th. There's no 4th actually. Now we got Turner. Oh, that would have been amazing if he could just hold it right there. But that'll be soon. Well, I just really need this. Now, Sal Games. First time competing in skydiving. And we'll do decent, I think. And that's first place we're here. Wow. Now, Ice Shard has been competing most of these event size chippers. Ice Shard. The other team just really wanted a marble. They'll do well, but that's not going to be good enough points for ice chippers. Now we got Chia. We saw the balls. Well, this actually might be less points than everyone else who went out. And we heard that 9s. Now Prim. I mean, yeah, this is. Yeah, that's 11s. Prim. Second last. How about Matt Billy from Green Ducks? Oh, that's actually a strategy. Bounce on the books. Go further to go 5th. Green Ducks will be in top half of this event. Pinky Toe, can she do the same thing? No, she cannot. She tried. But yeah, won't be enough. The Lillip will be the next one, and Pinky Toe will go to get ahead of Mallet. But now Lillip gets his turn. And I thought for a second that he was going out. But I know that that's going to be a bottom half finish. Now, Panther. Can I play Panthers? Ah, he's out. So it's already up to Leatherstone now. Panther's out. And then Leatherstone. Did he show the leader? No, he cannot. That's gonna be a dead last. But that means that Cell Graves have won the gold at skydiving from Thunderbolts and Hornets. Skydiving is a big event. Never done this before, and that was brilliant. Next event will be the hurdles. We'll see you for that.